Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of teeth whitening with a focus on a special toothpaste that whiten our teeth very gently, that promises to brighten your smile. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our dental discoveries. Alright, let's talk teeth whitening toothpaste. Many of you have asked about effectiveness of these commercial products and we have got the inside scoop for you. Today's star is the Opalescence teeth whitening toothpaste, a special toothpaste for you, Opalescence teeth whitening toothpaste. This toothpaste boosts a powerful formula designed to lift and remove the surface stains which we encountered in the daily life in the form of coffee stains, tea stains, cold drink stains, a lot of stains on our teeth. That paste remove these stains efficiently, giving a brighter smile, and fortunately it's less abrasive. The relative dentin abrasion index of this toothpaste is just 72. That is very good for our teeth. So, what are the various ingredients in the Opalescence teeth whitening toothpaste? Number one, the most important ingredient is trisilica. Silica is basically abrasive, a mild abrasive for removing the stains and dental plaque from the teeth surfaces and making them more bright, more white. Other ingredients are also important like sodium fluoride, xylitol, which remineralize the teeth structure and give them a strength against the tooth decay. Another important and very pleasant thing is cool mint that refreshes our breath and the effect lasts for longer. That is helpful especially for the persons with complaint of bad breath. So how to use this paste properly? The recommendation is as usual twice a day toothbrushing with minimum timing of 2 minutes and use this toothpaste regularly as it is safe to use, no side effect of this toothpaste, and very good results you will see after using this paste. The burning question is when we get the results, after how many days we will get the beneficial results. The results I am showing to you from a shade of A3, a very yellow. After 1 month of Opalison's teeth whitening toothpaste, the shade lighter to 2 shade than this one, and this is A1. You can compare the both from A3 to A1. After 1 month of use of this toothpaste, your smile will improve and you get a lighter shade of your teeth. Another important thing related to this toothpaste is it is manufactured or discovered by a dentist and there is no animal product in this and it's also gluten free and it also contains water and silica. So there you have it folks, our deep dive into the world of teeth whitening. If you have tried this product or any other one, drop your views related to this in the below comment box. And until next time, keep smiling and brightening and subscribe the channel so that further information will be delivered to you. Thank you.